Dear friends, today I am going to unboxing one of the amazing product of Flipkart. You see, this is one of the amazing product, and you can see what is this, what is the project, what is the product in this box. Here I am unboxing this one, and you see this amazing product in this, and you see how it works. What is this? Let us see. This is an amazing product from Flipkart. We got it from Flipkart. And the end of the video I will see what is the price of this product. Let us see what are the various features of this product. And this product is very much useful for making YouTube videos or any other kind of blogging, etc. You see here, these are the various. You see that this is the amazing product we got, and in the box you find that there is a packet also here. What is this? You see here, this is wireless lavalier microphone. This is, you can make it with it short vlog, live show, live interview, and there is a wireless connectivity is also there. And this is from Mac. And you see, it is noted, it is given that activate your mic by charging for 10 minutes before use. You have to activate your mic by charging for 10 minutes before use. Now we'll see what are the various products given here. See, there is a like. This here in Mac, this is a like button. You see, very much beautiful. And what is written here? You see here, hey there, we thank you for your order. Product reviews from awesome customers like you help others feel confident about choosing Mac products. Could you please take a few moments to share your experience in the form of product review? Please go to your order history and share your opinion by writing a product review. It will help us serve you better. And this is a like. Not only that, you see, there are how many parts? There are three things. One is this one, right? And one is this one is this one, and another one is this one. There are four parts of this. I, I got there are four parts here, right? And you see what are the functions of these four parts, right? If you are using an Android mobile, then you can use this one, right? If you are using this, if you want to use it with, if you want to use it with Android, then you can use this one, right? And these are the two things you see here. This is one of the product, and this is another product you see here, right? What we done here? Here you see, this one is, you have to plug this one in your mobile, and this is the what we call it as the receiver, and this is what we call it as the transmitter, right? And you see, there is another thing, you can use it with your Apple phone or like that, then you have to use this one, right? In this way, this is this product is very much useful for making any short vlog, a live show, live in interview, and wireless connectivity. Now you can see that these are the various product I got it from Flipkart. At the end I can say that what is the cost of this product, and I have used this product before also, and it is one of the best microphone in wireless microphone. Dear friends, if you want to buy this product, The link is given in the description. You can buy it from there. Not only that, and this is one of the best product also, right? Now we'll see what are the various other things you will find here, right? And this is, I have used it before also, and this is one of the best product for wireless. And what is of how to function, I can show you that this is the receiver. You have to plug it in the mobile, right, in your Android mobile. And what is this one is the microphone, or we can say it as transmitter. You have to transmit, your sound will be here and it will catch the sound in the receiver and it will be recorded very effortlessly. Now if you want this type of product, then go to our description is given in the description, link is given. And if you want to buy this one, buy this product, and this is one of the best product with a budget range. And what is the cost price of this product, that I'm going to say. The cost product of this product is 341 only, and at this budget price it is one of the best product I have come to know. And this is very good product. This Mac product is very good and it is budget friendly also. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Not only that, here in Kisses, there is the use of this one is very easy. It is only plug and play, and the range of this is nearly 20 meters, and it has a precise audio and wide compatibility also, right? I find these are the various things we got. And what I told you that this one is for Android and this is for iPhone. If you use your iPhone, you have to use this one also with your iPhone, right? And it has a wide compatibility also, right? Not only that, here see there is another features of this. Just plug in the receiver to your DSIR Bluetooth speaker and start a recording, right? Enable OTG function from iPhone phone setting before using wireless mic. Download Open Camera app from Play Store to make the wireless mic work if it is not working in normal camera app. Open the app and go to settings in app only, then go to video setting, click on audio source and select external mic if any. Your mic will start working while recording with this app. For iPhone, just plug in the receiver in your device and start recording with the camera app on your device, right? And remove the receiver before playback, right? Now, these are the various features of this Mac wireless lavalier microphone, and this is one of the best microphone I got in this budget, and this is only for rupees 341 only. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.